My name is Naresh Modi. I am Spark Minda Group Chief Material Officer, and I drive the supply chain sourcing related initiatives. In our group, almost 65% of our components and materials are coming from our suppliers' place. It is very important that our suppliers perform on cost competitiveness, on the quality, on sustainable basis. They should also support us on new product developments, new components for Spark Minda Group companies, so that we can satisfy and delight our customers. In this context only, when we come in contact with ECMA UNIDO, that they are launching this kind of cluster program with a roadmap of almost 12 months to improve, starting from the visual factory, the safe workplace, the waste elimination activities, productivity improvements, quality improvements, and that could be sustained so that our suppliers can support us sustainably on these fronts, on quality front, on the cost front, and we are satisfying and delighting our customer also accordingly.
Good afternoon. My name is Ajay Rawat, and I am from Minda Corporate Office Vertical 1, and I am responsible for the vendor development across all BV1 plants. And for us, this ECMA drive is very helpful to get the best quality product and productivity from our suppliers. So today we are at Riddhi Tech Auto, which is our sister ancillary and our one of the key supplier for HPDC parts. So before joining this ECMA cluster activity, we face many challenges from Riddhi related to quality and the delivery of the components. But after introduction of this ECMA cluster activity, we found improvement at Riddhi in these two fronts, and also the commitment level of Riddhi has also improved.
Hello everyone, myself Mayank Garg. I am heading the business at Riddhi Tech Auto Industries Private Limited. We do high pressure aluminium die castings, CNC and conventional machining. So we are a part of Uday Pride cluster of Spark Minda North Zone. We joined this cluster in June 2021. Prior to that, we were facing challenges in terms of having a good customer feedback because of not being able to sustain the required quality and plant visualization and operations. So as a part of joining the cluster, our improvement plan was made, which was divided into 4 phases, each phase having a step-by-step activities in which one by one we were able to focus on areas starting from the foundation, that is 5S and safety, and later on moving towards improving the customer quality by analyzing and focusing on the defects, improving the workplace, improving the visualizations in the plant, and finally achieving the sustained excellence in operations.
Myself Akshay Gupta from Hariom. The program that we have been initiated with is about 5S and safety so far, and about process improvement through this cluster. We have been doing this for the past 6 months, and I can virtually assure you that we have benefited from this program. For the last 6 months, the activities that had been conducted with us are regarding red tag, through which we have specified unwanted material in our company, and through which rather by reusing the material or by scrapping it, we have generated some revenue for our company, which has been possible through this program because our counselor has come and suggested and done the Gamba activity with us on several visits, and he has showed how to maintain such type of structure for the last 6 months. After that, I would suggest one thing for a customer end, how sir has supported us through a customer end. We have been doing this for the last 6 months. Sir has given us activity to monitor your PPM internal versus the PPM in your customer end. through which we have been able to find out a rejection trend and on which we are doing our work and controlling such rejection. So that has been our journey so far, and if anybody out there needs help regarding understanding your own company, how to control your rejection and to maintain a general safety environment in your company, you should please look at Uday Pride, and you should be able to get some help from this cluster program. Thank you.
Myself, R.K. Kaushal from VMI Cables Private Limited. एक्चुअली क्या ये मिंडा स्पार्क मिंडा उदय प्राइड एक्मा प्रोग्राम होने से हमारी कंपनी में काफ़ी इम्प्रूवमेंट आया। 5S मतलब 1S से लगाकर 5S तक, फिर और बाकी KPI एक्टिविटीज़, IDRs, केबल और मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, डिलीवरी, डिस्पैच सिस्टम और मेंटेनेंस सिस्टम, प्रिवेंटिव मेंटेनेंस सिस्टम और क्वालिटी में प्रोसेस पैरामीटर्स, बहुत लॉट ऑफ चेंज नज़र आया। जो इस क्लस्टर सिस्टम के अनुसार हमारे कंपनी में काफ़ी सेविंग्स करी है, लगभग 3.5 लाख की सेविंग करी है, और इसी सिस्टम के अकॉर्डिंग हमारे एम्प्लॉयज़ सिस्टमेटिक काम करना शुरू कर दिया। सेफ्टी पे वर्क हो रहा है, मेंटेनेंस पे, प्रिवेंटिव मेंटेनेंस पे काम हो रहा है, प्राइस इकोनॉमिकली प्राइस पे हमारा प्रोडक्ट बनना शुरू हो गया, और हमारे इंजरी जो होती थी या एक्सीडेंटल अनसेफ कंडीशन से नियर मिस थे वो भी दूर हुए, और छोटी छोटी जो कमियां थी दूर होना शुरू हो गई। इस क्लस्टर प्रोग्राम के अनुसार हमारा कंपनी में काफ़ी हद तक इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ। ये क्लस्टर प्रोग्राम चलते रहने चाहिए और अच्छा है, और हर इंडस्ट्री को इसी क्लस्टर प्रोग्राम या अपने स्पार्क मिंडा उदय प्राइड एक्मा का ये प्रोग्राम है, इसके अकॉर्डिंग करना चाहिए सिस्टम को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए, जिससे 5S और अदर एक्टिविटीज़ और सिस्टमेटिक काम करने का एक शैली बन जाती है, जो हमारे दूसरे अदर सिस्टम के से बहुत बेटर काम करता है। धन्यवाद।